darlings, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about 5 key pieces to style for your wardrobe. But I have a special someone with me today. Hi! It's Freddie. Hello darlings, welcome back. Today's video is going to be 5 key trends for your wardrobe for spring, and who better to talk through them with me than Freddie. Hi! Freddie and I have wanted to film together for quite some time, and I thought who better to discuss these key pieces with me than my style twin.
And spring is our thing.
Spring is
our season.
Definitely our season. Over on Freddie's channel, we did 10 spring trends that everybody needs in your wardrobe. So if you'd like to find out about the trends, then
come on over.
Come on over. I'll leave Freddie's video down below. So definitely check that out. We are going to talk through 5 key pieces, and shall we start off with lace? So one of our favourite key pieces for our wardrobes is a lace top. So why have you chosen that particular top, Freddie?
I love this one because it can be dressed up, it can be dressed down. I love like this, what did you call it? A
pie crust.
A pie crust detail around the neck and this little cuff sleeves as well. Super duper cute. And again, just like versatile ways to style this, which is really cool.
Yeah, we were saying on Freddie's video that lace has really become a big trend this year. So I think as one of the key pieces in your wardrobe, it's one that you're going to be reaching for time and time again. So here are the ways that Freddie and I have dressed our lace tops up in 2 different ways. Freddie's dancing.
Here's our lace outfits.
So talk us through your outfit, darling.
Okay, so I've gone for a really casual kind of boho western vibe.
Love it.
I've gone for the lace top, which I think is a great top because you could really dress this up and make it look really elegant. But I've made it look really casual and fun with a suede button-down skirt.
Another key piece.
Yes, definitely a key piece. And also my new cream western cowboy boots, which I'm obsessed with. It's such a trend for spring. And a cute little, kind of also has a bit of a western vibe because it has like the fringing.
And the studs.
And the studs. And also it's in a very trendy lilac colour. A really good way of just like popping a little bit of the lilac trend into your outfit without going like full blown. So yeah.
Gorgeous. I am obsessed with this bag. It's very Gucci vibes. With
yes.
And just everything about it.
So affordable as well, just Topshop.
For sure.
Everything in this outfit is affordable.
Done, darling. I have not got such quite affordable pieces on. These are all kind of premium high street pieces. I've got my Mumblr bag because I wanted this to be a bit of like a daytime outfit. This is from last year's Reese collection, although River Island have the best dupe for this jacket right now.
I really
it's
want this.
Gorgeous, oh my goodness. And the River Island one, it's actually faux suede, but it's so soft. I can definitely see you wearing that one. So I wanted to make my lace top look appropriate for daytime, and I've paired it with trousers, which I feel like with these boots, which you guys are probably bored to death of seeing because I've been wearing them so much.
So pretty though.
I think it makes it look like a kind of riding
Yes, I was
style
thinking
outfit.
that. Yeah, I was so thinking that.
Love it.
And
So,
like you're riding a horse, I'm riding a cat. Oh no, cowgirls ride horses too, don't they?
Yeah, we're both riding horses.
Yes.
Exactly, that's the tie. So let us know whose outfit you prefer. Not that that's what this video is all about.
I do prefer yours, so I won't be offended, guys, if you prefer Josie.
But I feel like this is the kind of outfit that we wear all the time. Like Freddie and I are both #1 fans of suede skirts. And you could also wear over-knee boots if western boots aren't your thing.
Totally.
So 2 very, very wearable ways of styling the lace top.
One of the other trends that we spoke about in my video, and that me and Josie are both going to style differently, is a circle bag. We have this one from Topshop, and we chose this because it's just super easy and so affordable as well, and just such a good way to get a new trend into your wardrobe.
I think that a circle bag is one of those pieces that again is really, really versatile. We've both gone for this one, which is super affordable. This is Topshop, £28, and everything that we talk about in this video will be linked as always down below. But I think that the circle bag trend, it came from obviously the Chloe handbag. It is something that you can invest in, but if you're not quite sure, then an affordable one like this is just as cute. So let's see how we styled it. Ta-da! So we have gone for very much a dressed up and dressed down approach to the circle bag. I think it just shows its versatility. It works with both outfits.
It really does, totally. It's actually like a really nice evening bag. It goes with the outfit really well.
I think this is a neutral colour as well. It just works with everything. It's a
Including
talismanic
this
dress.
pink dress. I love this dress. This is a dress that I've had in my wardrobe for a while. I think it's so beautiful. I love the ruffles. It's so feminine. And I think the bag, like, with the studs, kind of like balances out that really feminine, twee, like ruffly kind of birdie vibe. So and also
I love the shoes.
So I've paired the dress with these gorgeous Valentino rock stud dupes from Dune. This is like try and get your mouth around that. Dupes from Dune. And what's nice about dupes from Dune is they're actually still really nice quality. So they're not like, you know, kind of misguided, like low quality shoes. They actually feel amazing, and they're so
beautiful.
pretty. They do look beautiful. The colour's gorgeous, and I love how like the studs, I kind of went for a bit matchy with the studs, which is kind of cool. So it's like a stud versus frills kind of look, which I love.
Super pretty.
What about you?
Well, I am obsessed with these like comfy trousers at the moment.
They
I've
look
got
so
a couple of
cute.
pairs. River Island are smashing it when it comes to like chic but super comfy. So I was desperate to fit these in some way or another. I just thought that loads of knitwear just kind of highlights how versatile the bag is. I would wear this outfit to work from home, and then if I had like a last minute meeting or needed to run into town, I would just grab this bag, stick on a pair of heels, and I feel like instantly it just uplifts the outfit.
Yeah.
So super versatile. That's how we style the round bag. So I am always going on about how you should have a really good quality classic knit in your wardrobe, and I think that a basic piece of knitwear is a real staple in your spring wardrobe, so we had to include one in our spring key pieces. We've gone for slightly higher end this time. We've chosen this gorgeous woolen knit from Reef. So the price point is slightly higher, however for this kind of thing it is such a key piece that you'll find yourself reaching for it time and time again.
And year after year as well.
Yeah.
It's kind of one of those things that's going to be like it's such a staple in your wardrobe that you can go back to.
For sure. I feel like it's the kind of thing that when you have one in your wardrobe, it makes putting an outfit together really easy because it just goes with so many things, as we will now demonstrate.
Hey!
So we have both styled up the pink knit, the absolute spring classic wardrobe piece.
So different.
Freddie, I love what you've done with the neckline.
Thanks. I just
So
have the
cute.
little lace top underneath with what Josie calls I've forgotten again,
Pie crust.
a pie crust, just like sticking out, which is really cute, and also sticking out of the sleeves here as well. Just tucked it into a really casual pair of jeans.
So
We'll
nice.
also dress those up slightly with the Chloe Drew bag and some patent pointy court shoes.
Love. I love how the jeans and the bag just instantly make like what is essentially a jeans and a knit top look. Look amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
So cute. And then I've tried to make it a little bit more kind of, I was going to say more evening-y, but you could definitely wear this to like a bar, couldn't you?
You
Like,
definitely could, yeah. But so,
Yeah.
but you, that's like also quite casual, kind of summer barbecue kind of
yeah.
look as well, which is really cute.
I think
Love the
sometimes
bag.
if you don't know what a dress code is, this kind of outfit works really nicely. Freddie and I went to a charity event a couple of weeks ago, and I just wore a knitted jumper
Did.
and then a high-waisted skirt,
Yeah.
and
Looked
just
great.
plain knits go with so many different things. So I'm wearing some wide leg trousers. I thought I'd make it a little bit more trendy with some pointed toe boots. This is the beautiful Strathberry bag from Victoria's collection.
The
I feel like that would go with your outfit as well.
Yes, this would. I've
Very
actually got this
versatile.
bag too, and I've got the one with the plum, the plum up there.
So cute. And then just some very delicate jewellery to finish it off. And I
Yeah,
feel
me
like
too,
we're
actually.
both
We kind of always wear the same staple
Yeah.
piece of jewellery, don't we, that just go with everything.
We
So
do.
yeah.
It's a very versatile, easy to wear, two-waisted style.
So another key piece that we're going to style are some cute spring trousers. I've gone for these lilac ones because lilac is such a big trend this spring and I'm just obsessed with it.
However, I wasn't such a fan of the lilac. I felt like, I don't know, I feel like I'm a little bit too old for lilac. I don't know. When perusing River Island, I found that they had the exact same pair in this kind of creamy colour, which I think is a lot more me.
Yeah, and I ordered these as well actually, but I know what you mean. These are totally more you, and it's quite cute how it's like the same trouser, but you can kind of see the difference in
Yeah,
our
I think
styles.
so. They're really cute. And they've got this lovely ruffle detail at the bottom. A ruffle is still a huge trend, as
And
are
pearls.
pearls. We both love
We
pearls,
love pearls.
so us. We both kind of agreed that with this style of trouser though, you do need to size up. So
Yes.
whereas I would normally go for a 6, I think that, as you'll soon see, they're a little bit on the tight side.
And mine are an 8 and they are tight, like they are tight. I mean
So
they're wearable
different
but they're
bag.
tight.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
we'll see.
I think it's a little bit more comfortable if you've got a bit more room in them.
Mm.
But we're now going to show you how this kind of trouser can be styled up in the evening, how it can be made really casual in the daytime, maybe just with a switch of shoes, that kind of thing. So I'm excited to see how you style it.
Me too. Oh
It's
gosh.
so cute. Let's do it. And this is
I'm
where
like a
I look
sassy
like a
little.
midget.
I know, I'm a giant. Oh no, I'm
We
literally
chose
twice
the wrong
your-
outfit for like super heels.
No, I know,
And
these are
flats.
super heels, but I'm loving. This is my favourite outfit of mine, I think,
It's
of the
gorgeous.
video.
Where's the blouse from?
And the blouse, this is a H&M blouse. It's a lovely.
Stunning.
I think it looks way more expensive than it is. Like
I
feel
was
it.
gonna
Feels
say,
absolutely
oh my
gorgeous.
goodness. And the pussy bow.
And a pussy bow. Have to have a pussy bow.
So cute.
So I've got like a dressed up kind of evening out look. with the trousers paired with some heels and this really cute like white circle bag. This one is from French Connection. It's really cute. And I just love like the white and lilac. I think it just pops so much. So yeah, loving this outfit. I think it's really fun.
It is so cute. And as I said, I couldn't pull off the lilac ones. Although
I
this
think
outfit,
you could have done.
I feel like love.
Yeah,
but I've styled up the cream ones.
They're really
love
nice.
The cream. I thought, you know what, I actually found these shoes in my wardrobe and I realised it had been ages since I wore them, and because they have the pearl detail as well, which mimics the pearls in the ruffles, thought I would pair them together, dress down, flats, but then I've gone for quite a smart t-shirt. I think that just because you're wearing a t-shirt it doesn't have to be super
That's
cash.
stunning.
Isn't it
Has got
cute?
pearls on?
Yeah, just very tiny little pearls.
Pearls with the pearls.
Little granny over here. So yeah, I've got the pearls again, and then I thought this is a kind of outfit that I'd wear out for a day of meetings. So I got this really big lilac-y kind of lilac.
We're kind of coordinating
We
here.
are.
That's really beautiful. That's really beautiful. I
It's
love
cute,
that
isn't
bag.
it? And you would
Such a
definitely
colour.
fit your laptop, you fit everything in here. So very practical. Dressed down, dressed up. They're such versatile trousers, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. I
So
think,
nice.
like, I don't know, sometimes I'm like, oh, will I wear them? Will I not? I'm going to make a real effort to wear these. They're really cool.
Yeah.
And they look great on you too.
A little itchy with the gold threads, but
Yeah.
I can handle that because they look super cute. And our final key piece in the spring wardrobe, and I've already been loving the midi skirt trend. I've been wearing it so much.
I think midi skirts, just to cut across, like, midi skirts are your thing.
I just love them.
I see them as your thing. I look at them when I think of you.
This will probably be like the fifth one in my spring wardrobe collection, I'm not gonna lie. But I think they are so elegant. I think that again, you can really dress them up and down. And I just feel really confident when I'm in them. I don't like wearing things that are too short. I just feel like they work for so many different occasions as well.
I'm a midi skirt girl. Like, I like much more than a midi skirt. But I do think they're really elegant. You're right.
They are super pretty. So I think this is gonna be, is it a challenging one for you? Did you find it hard to style?
Well, I don't wear them, I'm not gonna lie. I love how they look, and you're kind of my midi skirt inspo. Like when I think of midi skirts, I honestly do think of you. But I don't wear them, I'm so much more of a midi skirt girl. So it was actually a challenge. But it's nice, like I said this in my video, that like unless you kind of push your style boundaries, you're always kind of gonna be wearing the same thing, and you definitely don't want that to happen. So yeah, it was cool. I'm glad that you pushed me out of my comfort zone.
I'll be so interested to see if you now start like veering towards midi skirts and wearing them more, because I think they
Yeah.
are potentially the kind of thing where once you try it on and you realise how wearable they are, you want to wear them more.
It's kind of not a scary thing, but you know those things that are just a little bit...
Like over-knee boots. And
Yeah,
once you wear them,
oh my god,
obsessed.
I don't wear anything else now.
No.
I actually don't wear anything
I
else.
can't pull an outfit together unless I'm wearing over-knee
Me
boots.
too.
Same with midi skirts. So keep an eye on Freddie's Instagram. Let's see if she starts styling up midi skirts. So let's see how Freddie and I styled up this beautiful one from Reese.
Yeah.
The last look. It's so floaty. Oh my goodness. It's got such a... Do you know what they call this? It's like a knife pleat, where it goes and splits into a different kind
Oh,
of
I see
pleat.
what you're saying. You have a
So
skirt like
pretty.
this, the Tabaka one.
I do. So
Really
pretty. I love them. But yeah, this is how you can style it a little bit more casually.
So this is more casual. I also thought it was a bit more like it kind of rocked it up a bit. If
Yeah.
that makes sense. I don't know, like I'm not really rocky.
Because it's
but,
super
you know,
feminine, but you've made it a lot more wearable with like...
Yeah, exactly. So like a black high neck, really plain and nice and fitted as well. And just some black ankle boots as well, which I think looks really cool. And of course this beautiful kind of top handle Aspinall bag. It's just like a really beautiful, smooth, shiny leather, and I just think it kind of still looks very sophisticated and like kind of city chic, but a little bit more cool.
I feel like this would be a really good outfit for desk to bar.
Yeah.
Is that what they call it?
Yeah.
Yeah, day to night
Desk
kind
to-
of look.
Yeah.
Desk to disco. Desk to disco. Yeah, so cute. And then I've just made it even more girly than it already was.
So
with
pretty though.
this top, which is Ted Baker. You may have seen this on my Instagram a few times. Love these kind of frill details on the
Structured
shoulders.
as well.
Yeah, exactly. It's
Nice
just
contrast, like the flowiness of the skirt.
exactly. That's what I was going for.
Sorry.
Floaty on the skirt and then structured on the shoulders. I'm obsessed with this bag at the moment. It's not
Beautiful.
dissimilar in style vibe to your Chloe Drew, but this one is not designer. And then shoes, I've kept it all very pink, different shades of dusky pink. Really like these. I find that these are very versatile for dressing up and down. Well, dressing up mostly. Find these are really versatile for dressing up lots of different things. You can wear them with jeans, midi skirts, maxi skirts. So yeah, let us know what you think. Do you think Freddie should wear midi skirts more often? I definitely
Let me
do.
know. I think I would definitely wear it like this.
Yeah,
This would be like my kind of way of wearing them.
yeah, with a trench coat over your shoulders.
Yes.
Nice. Gorgeous. Well done, darling. So those are our 5 key pieces for your wardrobe for spring and how to style them in 2 different ways. Let me know which ones you guys love the most down in the comment section below.
Let us know who won. Let us know who won each.
Whose style did you prefer? Let us know. Like
Let's do
Freddy
like
3, Josie 2. Yeah, let us know whose styling you preferred. What was your favourite piece?
Well, I loved styling the lace top, and I love how different our looks were as well.
Yeah.
I also really enjoyed styling the midi skirt. I really did. It was really fun. It was different, and yeah, thanks.
So hopefully we've given you some ideas on how you could style these gorgeous pieces. Don't forget to head over to Freddy's channel, it'll be linked down below, to hear all about our favourite top 10 spring trends. And that is all from us, so thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, subscribe to Freddy, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, thumbs up for more videos with Freddy as well.
Yes, and give us, if you have any ideas for videos you'd like us to do together, do let us know.
Let us know. And I really hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you very soon in our next one. Bye!